All right, today I'm going to show you how to turn on the grayscale for your Mac computer. All right, grayscale for the window coloring, make everything pretty much black and white. It's a really cool feature. Sometimes I happen to do it. It's a little bit easier for my eyes. But before we get started, could you go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more great content? I have a lot of great content. Well, you be the judge of that. But anyway, I'm going to get started and show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the Launchpad so I can get to System Preferences, click on System Preferences, and then I am going to go to Accessibility. Click on that. Accessibility, and I am going to go to Display. All right, now once I am in the display, there are a lot of icons to choose from. Right here, I am going to click Use Grayscale. Now watch what happens once I click on this to use the grayscale. Look at it. Everything turned black and white. It's pretty cool. Look at that, the background. Now, to undo it, I'm just going to click it and watch what happens. The color just comes back to life. Boom, like that. All right, and that's how you switch your settings to grayscale on a Mac computer. Let me know if you have any questions.